Snowflake. Ryan, give us a picture. What does that demand signal look like out there for the next couple of years for you all?
Hopefully frosty, right? Is the demand signal for Snowflake. I
Oh,
think I had to,
ta-dum.
insert bad dad joke here, right? As my three kids would tell me. But I think it's really evolving the data cloud with Snowflake technology as the underlying platform. And I think a lot of the lessons learned, and even something I can appreciate as a young intelligence officer in a former life, right, is the single source of truth. From a data perspective, this comes from a lot of lessons learned with customers, right? Well, we have a source of truth, but it's not your truth if it's, if you're not sharing data securely and in near real time, right? So data sharing and data cloud enable our customers to go right to the creators of data and the experts who know that data the best, right? The analogy, I think is that's relevant is, you don't go to NOAA for weather data, or you do go to NOAA for weather data, right? You don't install a wind sensor on your own roof, right? And so I think that's where we see us going, is these architectures from a data cloud perspective with our federal customers, or even commercial customers is using our marketplace, our private exchanges and data sharing capabilities to build their own data clouds, right? And kind of this one-to-one architecture, one-to-many, or in a consumption style architecture where interested parties can go in and consume that single source of truth of data. And then combine that with their own data sets as well, right? With the ability now to make better decisions. And of course, doing that all securely is something that's near and dear to my heart, from a security perspective. But really, I think the actualization of the data cloud is where we see our customers moving and building those secure architectures in those different relationships that I described.